Hello everyone, this is Dino with Dino's Dinners, and tonight is episode 2 of Hackbusters. I saw a video where they did a hard-boiled egg, and it's kind of hard to believe the way they did it, so I want to give it a shot. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing he did was he took 3 eggs and ran them under hot water, warm water, for a little bit. He didn't really say how long. Then next, he took towel paper and wetted it. Make sure it's completely wet. Three eggs rolled up in towel paper. And folded in the ends. Next, he put it in the microwave. He said to put it on the edge of the plate. Like that. Can you see that? That's not dirt in there, that's rust. And for 1 minute, cook the eggs. And that's supposed to make them hard-boiled. We'll see. Okay, now, a little hot. I'm going to see if we have hard-boiled eggs. Wow, they are hot.
Wow, that's hot, man.
They sound hard-boiled. Shit. No way. That's hot and there's a runny egg in there. Bull crap. And this is a pretty powerful microwave. Sorry folks. Didn't work. Thanks for watching. TTFN. Ta-ta for now.